Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can remove a background of an image using Canva. It is super easy. As you can see right now we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template, and now we are going to the elements, and here in the elements you can simply search for travel woman or whatever the image you want. You can also upload your image here, but right now I'm just taking samples, so I'm just uploading any of the image. Right, for example, we have selected this image, and now you just need to click on this particular image whose background you want to remove. Right, let me zoom in so that you can see it properly. Okay, I have just simply selected this image, and there is an option of BG remover. You just need to click on that and your background has been removed. As you can see, it is super easy to remove background of any image using Canva. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.